Hi, I'm Phil.
And I'm Kat.
And what's the crack?
About Christmas crackers.
Right, talking Christmas crackers today. We have a variety of different things to go through, really. I think first of all, we've actually got some homemade Christmas crackers with us today. I don't like to toot my own horn, but I made it.
You can tell.
Yes, thanks. And it's one of those things you don't often think about, plastics and Christmas crackers.
No, especially when most of them are just made out of cardboard. But when you think about it, a lot of that cardboard can be coated in decorative stuff, either plastics that are non-recyclable.
Yeah, like glitter.
Glitter is an excellent one.
If you are buying Christmas crackers, I always try and avoid the glittery ones.
Funny, because it just makes such a mess and it's impossible to clean up as well at the end of the day. You'll be finding that glitter till next Christmas.
And the worst problem is that even if it's just got a little bit of glitter on it, if you try and recycle that piece of card, it just can't be recycled. The whole card will be chucked away in general refuse. So it's always good to try and avoid those. I think the other thing as well is what goes into the crackers themselves.
Some of those gifts, random gifts as well. It's like, here's a whistle, because that's what everyone needs.
Or a plastic moustache that always hurts when you stick it up your nose. What I want to be.
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Okay.
Let's see
Go
if this works. 3, 2, 1. Damn!
Yes!
And
I got a joke. All right, let's do the joke and then we can discuss why that failed.
Yes, yes.
Okay. What do you get if you cross Santa with a duck? A Christmas quacker.
Yes, well that will come.
Yeah.